Hey everybody, hope you're having a fantastic Friday. In today's video and in the next couple of videos, the next few Fridays, we're going to have our president Todd come on and talk about the cost of a fan. So everything that plays into that other than just the initial cost of your fan. So we'll start with this one. Leave us some comments and let us know what you think about this video, and have a great weekend.
Hi guys, and thanks for tuning in. Courtney's been doing a great job over the last few months with these fantastic Friday videos, and it seems like that there is a whole lot of you all that are tuned in and watch this, and some of you watch every one of them, and we really appreciate it. This is all done in an effort to try to help you, to make you more advised of the services and products that we have available. And if it's not been said, I certainly want to say at this time, thank you. Thank you for your business. Thank you for tuning in and viewing these videos. And if we can be of help, we're open 24/7, 365. Give us a call. The topic of today's Fantastic Friday video is your cheap fan really cheap? And I'd like to try to explain that a little bit. We live in a society now that it seems like everything is driven by price. And it seems like that there are times that maybe we don't look at the whole picture. And cheap is a word that pretty much I don't even like to be used in our company, in our facilities. We try not to be the cheapest people out there. We may not never be the cheapest people that are in the fan ventilation people. We absolutely strive to be the best. We strive to be a company that is available when you call. When you call us, we'll answer the phone. Somebody will. We'll talk to you. There's not a recording. We won't put you off until another day. When dealing with Paul's Fan Company, you will get an immediate response as soon as possible. If there's a problem at a entry level, or a question with billing, a question with shipping, those people in those departments will take care of that. When that doesn't get taken care of, it'll be pushed right on up the pole. And if you want to speak to me, you give me a call. I'll talk to you. Send me an email. Call my cell phone. Call my house number. You'll get an answer. So, is your cheap fan really cheap? In the mining world, in the mining ventilation world, as we have been deeply rooted here now for 63 years, we are known throughout the industry of being able to mobilize, to be able to get our fan technicians, to be able to get our equipment on site for immediate repairs. This is where we pride ourselves. We don't know of any other company that can mobilize and does respond to their customers in a manner that we do. For an example, we had a mining processing company last week that had a fan to go down, and they called 3 different times to the original manufacturer, and they never got a call back. They never got a response. They called us. We mobilized, went to that facility. We measured, we drew, we took all the data that we could find. We brought the product back into our facility. We manufactured a new blade, a new shaft, took new bearings, and went back to that company, went back to that site with our road crew, our technical crew, our millwrights, and we installed that fan and that product back for that customer. Everything, of course, worked well, but the interesting thing about it, we had completed the task. We had remanufactured the failed parts and had that customer back up and running before that original manufacturer even returned their phone call. This is what Paul's Fans is notorious about. This is what we are good at. If you need service, if you need help at 2 o'clock in the morning, call Paul's Fans. See what you get. See if you're satisfied. And if you're not, I'll give you your money back. Thank you for listening.